Sam, do you think internet is safe to use nowadays?
No, Sarah, I don't think so. Access to affordable high-speed internet has led to a torrent of users flocking the online space, either for entertainment or work. The internet can be fascinating, but at the same time, it brings with it some challenges where we as users need to ensure that our identity and data online remain safe. Apart from social media applications, we also use a lot of banking and financial platforms on the internet which can be targeted by hackers. Therefore, it is our responsibility to protect our identity and investments alike.
Then how can we ensure our safety on internet?
Well, let me tell you some ways you can ensure that your internet surfing experience is secure and you are safe from prying eyes. I know it can be a task to have different passwords for different apps and services considering there are so many out there today. But it is always a healthy practice to keep changing your passwords. It's hard to believe, but there are still many internet users today who use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a password. And many use weak passwords for their social media accounts. So weak that even a monkey would be able to hack your account.
How can we make a strong password?
You should never use the same password for multiple apps and websites. You should always use special characters while choosing a password. The more special characters mean the harder they are to crack. In case it's difficult for you to manage multiple passwords, get a password manager. The incognito mode on the web browser has been a bliss for internet users who want to keep their browsing private.
What is incognito mode?
In incognito mode, your history, temporary internet files, or cookies are not stored on the device. This also ensures that third-party websites and apps cannot track your online activity.
Shall we use free Wi-Fi?
No. We all love freebies. And if you are getting access to free internet, you've hit jackpot, right?
Right.
Wrong. As hard as it might sound, using free Wi-Fi can mean trouble for your privacy and data security. You see, hackers have their eyes set on these public networks and constantly hunt for weaknesses amidst its users. Since you have a lot of sensitive information on your phones and laptops, you should avoid connecting your device to free Wi-Fi points.
What about location services?
There are several apps out there that unnecessarily track your location even if the app doesn't require it. If you come across such apps online, it is advised that you deny location access to such apps. You also need to make sure that you deny location access to social media websites, unless you don't want to use its location-based services. Even some web browsers ask for location access from users, which is why you need to explore the Settings tab on your web browser and disable location access.
What more can we do to enhance our security?
When you are advised to use a VPN, it means you use the one you can trust. There are several free VPN out there, but they come loaded with ads and at times malware. Most paid VPNs are bug-free and trustworthy. A VPN can boost your online security, as it not only gives the user privacy by creating a private network from a public connection, but also assigns us another IP address so that our online activity cannot be traced.
What about online offers? Are they safe?
This is for those who cannot spot the difference between the download button and spam. Most hackers use scams to dupe people online. This can be done by sending fake emails and links that promise a cash reward, or maybe even an exotic holiday. They can even be disguised as download links for software or images. Never trust such emails or invitations sent to your inbox, as these might be malware that can be used to hack into your computer to steal sensitive financial information. You also should not click random download links on a website, and double check before you click on a link. So, you can take these precautions to be safe on internet.
Thanks, Sam. That was very helpful.
I am glad that I could be helpful.
This was very meaningful conversation. Now I can definitely take some precautions to be safe on internet.